Let me show you guys how to charge your wireless smartwatch here on this video, and show you guys some of the reason why your smartwatch that has wireless charger is not charging. First, some people, they don't know how to charge their wireless smartwatch, because first they think to charge the smartwatch, you have to just keep the wireless charger like this, which is the negative side. It will not work. When you put it like this, it will not charge. So to charge your smartwatch, first you have to use the positive side, and you have to clean it with something dry. That's something like tissue paper. Just clean it, make sure it's clean, and then keep it right at the rightful position, and then bring the smartwatch like this, you see, and then place it on it. Place it on it. When you place it on it, you will see that it will start charging. Let's place it the rightful way. You see, it's charging now. Understand? Some people, they don't place their smartwatch the rightful way, so when you don't place it at the charging surface the rightful way, it will not charge. So this is the rightful way to place it. Just place it like this. Place it like this, and it will start charging. You see, so this is on how to charge your smartwatch that is wireless. Understand? So there is nothing in here, so just place it like this and it will start charging. Just place it like this and it will start charging immediately. You see, so I'm trying to charge my smartwatch now using my power bank. You can use your power bank to charge your smartwatch if you want. You can also plug it direct on current. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.